Good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Diane Prado from the Philippines. I am 33 years old and I have two daughters ages 7 and 5.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have three. I have two sisters and I have one brother.
And what is your position in the family?
I am the oldest in the family.
What is your marital status?
I am a single mom.
Single, but you have kids.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're a single parent or you're having a living partner right
I
now?
have a living partner.
How long you've been together?
Almost 10 years, ma'am.
10 years. Okay. So no plan in getting married yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. What is your educational attainment?
I'm a college level
Okay. What course you took up before?
computer secretarial.
How long you studied in college?
1 semester only.
One sem. Are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
Dubai, ma'am. UAE, ma'am.
UAE. So what is your position in Dubai before?
I am a nail technician in a company of salon, ma'am.
Okay. So how long you been a nail technician in Dubai?
I have 3 years experience, ma'am.
Okay. And as a helper, you have experience here?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
I am one old ma'am.
Elderly.
Elderly, yes.
Okay. How old is she?
73 years old, ma'am.
Is she a boy or a girl, grandma or grandpa?
Grandma.
Grandpa. So how do you take care of her?
I prepare her foods. I prepare her food, medicine, and all her.
Do you need to accompany her going to the checkup?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
how many times you go to doctor for a
Twice
month?
a month.
Twice a month. Okay. Besides caring of the elderly, what else you do as a helper in the house?
I also wash her clothes, taking her to bath, and making all her things that she needs now.
What else did you do as a helper? You do also household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
Cooking, ma'am, and I'm also washing her clothes and then making her exercise also sometimes.
Okay. So besides caring of her, you also do household chores, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You go to market?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You sleep with the grandma or you have your own room?
I sleep with the grandma.
You need to assist her in bathing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because as for now, ma'am, I heard that Hong Kong has a bigger opportunity for us helpers to work in there, ma'am.
Okay. Who will look for your kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother and my father.
Your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just focus on my work, ma'am. If I have free time, I can just call or message them if they are okay, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they want to.
Okay. Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for an elderly also in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for a newly born baby as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or the baby at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, ma'am, sir, I am Diane and I am willing to follow your rules and regulations, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2142.